Hey everyone! Welcome back to our super fun English class. How are you feeling today?
Haha, I'm feeling awesome, Arthur, and a little excited. Oh wait, maybe a lot excited.
A lot excited! That's great, because today we're talking about, guess what?
Food? Travel? Sleeping?
Nope, we are talking about feelings! Yay!
Oh, feelings. Haha, my favorite topic, because I have so many feelings every day.
Yes, you do. Happy, sad, angry, sleepy, hungry.
Wait, hungry is not a feeling. That's my tummy talking.
Haha, okay, you're right. But hey, everyone watching, do you know how to talk about your feelings in English?
Some people say, I'm fine, or I'm okay, all the time.
Yes, but there are many other ways to express feelings.
So let's learn and have fun.
Yay! Let's start with some basic feelings.
Number 1, happy. Haha, my favorite feeling.
When you're happy, you can say, I feel great, or I'm so happy today.
Or, I'm on cloud 9. Haha, that means super happy.
Yeah, or I'm over the moon.
Oh, that's cute. So, I'm over the moon means I'm very, very happy.
Exactly. Repeat after me, everyone. I'm over the moon.
I'm over the moon. Yay!
Now, number 2, sad.
Oh, sometimes we feel sad, right?
Yeah, and that's okay. You can say, I feel sad, or you can say, I'm a little down today.
I'm a little down today. That sounds gentle.
Yeah, not too strong, just soft.
Or you can say, I'm feeling blue. Haha, but not really blue, right?
Haha, no, not color blue. It's just an idiom. It means sad.
Got it. So happy equals over the moon. Sad equals feeling blue.
Great job! Now let's talk about being angry. Grrr.
Oh no, Arthur, you look scary.
Don't worry, I'm just acting. When you're angry, you can say, I'm mad, or I'm upset.
Or I'm annoyed. I use that when my alarm rings early in the morning.
Yes, that's a good example. And if you're very angry, you can say, I'm furious.
Ooh, that sounds serious. Repeat after me, everyone. I'm furious.
I'm furious. But don't be furious now. Smile.
Haha. Okay, next, tired.
Oh, yes. After a long day, I always say, I'm tired.
Or I'm exhausted. That means very tired.
Yes, exactly. And if you just woke up, you might say, I'm sleepy.
I say that every morning. I'm sleepy. Haha.
Me too sometimes.
Okay, let's do a little game. Yay!
Yay, game time!
I'll say a situation, and you guess the feeling. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. You just won a prize.
Happy.
Yes! Haha.
Okay, my turn. You lost your favorite pen.
Oh, sad.
Correct.
Okay, you studied all night and now your eyes are closing.
Sleepy.
Haha, perfect.
Okay, you're waiting in a long line and someone cuts in front of you.
Oh no, I'm angry.
Haha, yes, furious maybe.
Good job, team. You did it, everyone watching. Clap for yourself. Yay!
All right, now let's learn some other feelings.
Yes, let's go beyond the basics.
Nervous.
Oh, like before an exam or job interview?
Exactly. I feel nervous. Or I'm a bit nervous.
Or I've got butterflies in my stomach. Haha.
That means you feel a little scared but excited.
I love that one.
Okay, next. Excited.
Haha, that's me right now. I'm super excited to teach English.
You can say, I'm thrilled or I'm pumped up.
pumped up. Haha, that sounds sporty.
Yeah, like I'm pumped up for the concert.
Nice. Repeat after us. I'm pumped up.
I'm pumped up.
Haha. Now, how about scared?
Oh, like when you watch a horror movie at night.
Haha. Oh, I'm scared already.
You can say, I'm scared, or I'm afraid.
Or I'm terrified when you're very scared.
Yes, I'm terrified of spiders.
Me too. Ugh, spiders.
Same here.
Let's review the feelings we learned so far.
Great idea. Repeat after us.
Happy,
Sad,
angry,
tired,
sleepy,
nervous,
scared,
surprised,
calm,
relaxed.
peaceful. Haha.
Woohoo! You're doing amazing.
Yay! Keep smiling, friends.
Okay, Clara, let's make things even more fun.
Yay! What are we doing now?
Let's talk about mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings, like a milkshake of emotions?
Exactly. Sometimes we feel happy and sad at the same time.
Yeah, like when your best friend moves to another city, you're happy for them but sad they're leaving.
Yes, that's called mixed feelings. You can say, I have mixed feelings about it.
Repeat after me, everyone. I have mixed feelings about it.
Great job.
Sometimes I feel confused too.
Me too. I'm confused means you don't understand something.
Like when math homework looks like alien language.
Exactly. You can also say, I'm puzzled.
Ooh, and don't forget about bored.
Yes, I'm bored means you have nothing fun to do.
Ha! Like waiting in a long line with no Wi-Fi.
Ha! That's torture.
What about proud?
Oh, yes, that's a great one. When you do something good, you say, I'm proud of myself.
Or I'm proud of you. I say that to our students.
Oh, you're the sweetest.
Haha, thanks. Now, how about jealous?
Ooh, that's tricky. When you want what someone else has.
Like when your friend gets a new phone and you're like, I want that too.
Yes, but it's okay to feel jealous sometimes.
Right, we just need to handle it kindly.
Now another one, lonely.
Oh, that's a sad one. It means you miss people or feel alone.
Yes, you can say, I feel lonely.
But remember, you can always call a friend and talk.
Like me.
Yes, Arthur is everyone's friend.
Okay, time for a mini quiz.
Yay! Quiz time!
I'll say the situation and you say the feeling.
Let's go.
You got a new puppy.
Happy,
You lost your wallet.
sad,
You saw a big spider.
scared,
You got 100% on your test.
proud,
You don't understand your homework.
confused.
You nailed it.
Your turn now. I'll say a situation and you guess.
Okay, shh, I'll listen too.
You miss your bus.
Angry?
Maybe annoyed.
Oh yeah.
You get a surprise gift.
Excited.
Great. You're at home alone and it's dark.
Scared.
You're lying on the beach with soft music.
Relaxed.
Perfect.
This is fun.
Yeah, and it helps you remember words.
Okay, now let's talk about expressing feelings politely.
Oh yes, that's important.
Instead of saying, I'm angry, you can say, I'm not happy about this.
That sounds softer and polite.
Or instead of, I'm sad, you can say, I'm a little down today.
Wow, that's gentle and friendly.
Okay, let's practice.
Yay!
I'm furious. Polite version.
I'm not happy about this.
I'm sad. Polite version.
I'm a little down.
I'm tired. Polite version.
I could use some rest.
Perfect.
You're learning great English, friends.
Yes, you can use these phrases in real life every day.
Okay, last mini game before recap.
Okay, yay, what's the game?
Finish the sentence. I'll start, you finish.
Okay, let's go.
When I watch my favorite movie, I feel.
Happy.
When I lose my keys, I feel.
Frustrated.
When my best friend visits me, I feel.
Excited.
When it rains all day, I feel...
Sleepy.
You're so funny.
Okay, let's recap everything we learned today.
Yay, big recap time.
Happy, sad, angry, tired, sleepy, excited, nervous, scared, calm, relaxed.
Surprised, proud, confused, lonely, jealous, bored, peaceful.
Wow, that's a big list.
Yeah, you can now talk about your feelings like a native speaker.
So, Clara, how do you feel now?
Haha, I feel proud and happy.
Me too. I feel proud of our viewers.
Yay! You all did an amazing job today.
Remember, it's okay to have all kinds of feelings.
Yeah, feelings make us human.
And when you can talk about your feelings, you grow.
Exactly. So keep learning, keep smiling, and keep talking.
You said it.
So friends, don't forget,
Like
comment,
and subscribe.
yes, for more fun English lessons.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Stay happy and keep shining.
Keep smiling and keep learning English.